Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to see progressions question number 6, exercise number 3. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So in the question he given sum of 7 terms, as 7 is nothing but 49. Okay, and as 17 is nothing but sum of 17 terms is nothing but 289. He was asking to find Sn is how much? Sn is how much? So Sn is nothing but n by 2. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to know the value of a and d, then we can find out the value of Sn. Okay, now first you take S7. S7 is nothing but 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 49. Okay, 7 by 2 it is in multiplication. Okay, it goes to division. So 2a plus 7 minus 1 is nothing but 6. So d is there, 6 times d. 49 into 7 by 2, it is a fraction. When a fraction is going to right side, it becomes reverse. 2 by 7. 7 one time, 7 7 times. So 2a plus 60, that is equal to 7 into 2. So here you see, take 2 common, a plus 3d, that is equal to 7 into 2. 2 gets cancelled on both the sides. Remaining is a plus 3d is equal to 7. So let it be equation number 1. So this is nothing but equation number 1. So now S17 is given. S17 you take 289. S17. Okay. 17 by 2, 2a, 17 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 289. Okay, here 17 by 2 it is in multiplication. Take this fraction to right side, it becomes reverse. 2a, 17 minus 1 is nothing but 16 times d, that is equal to 289, 2 by 17. So this fraction is coming to right side, it becomes reverse. 17 times is nothing but 289. Okay, so what is left, you see here, you take 2 common, a, 8, 2 8 is 16, here 17 into 2, 2 gets cancelled. Finally what I am getting, a plus 8 times d, that is equal to 17 I am getting. Let it be equation number 2. So this is nothing but equation number 2. Now we are going to solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 here. Okay, first equation is a plus 3d, that is equal to 7. Equation number 2 is a plus 8d, that is equal to 17. Okay, and subtract these two. So change the symbols, both gets cancelled. So 3 minus 8 is nothing but 5 times d. Here 7 minus 17 is nothing but 10. Minus minus cancel both the sides. So here 5 is in multiplication, it goes to division. 10 by 5, it is nothing but 2. So here the d value is nothing but 2 I am getting. So I substitute the d value in the equation number 1 to get a value. So a plus 3 times 2, a plus 6 is equal to 7. 6 is going to right side, it becomes 7 minus 6. So finally I am getting a value 1. So a value is 1 and d value is 2. We have to find Sn. So very simple, we have to find Sn. So we got a value as a 1, d value as 2. So Sn is nothing but n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to calculate Sn. So we know the values of a and d, that we are going to substitute here. 2 times a value is 1, n minus 1, d value is 2. N by 2, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 into n is nothing but 2n. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. 2 gets cancelled. Finally we left with n by 2 times 2n. 2 gets cancelled. N into n is nothing but n square. Okay, n square. Sn is nothing but n square. So sum of n terms of the given series is nothing but n square.